and welcome back to my channel. I am Vasilikis and in this video I'm going to share with you 50 random facts about me. Recently my channel reached 2000 subscribers and I want to do this video so you can get to know me a little bit better, and I also want to thank you for your support and also for spending your time watching my videos. My favorite part is when we continue the conversation in the comment section, and I want to say thank you for your time. Fact number 1. I was born in Greece. When I was a teenager, we moved to Cyprus. My mother is from Cyprus, so I am half and half. I am married and for 2.5 years we live in Germany. I can speak Greek, English and German. I am 31 years old. I was born in March and I am Aries or Aries. I don't know. I have studied at the university. I am a civil and environmental engineer. I was working for many years in Cyprus as a civil engineer. In the last construction company that I was working, the company closed down, my boss disappeared, and I was unemployed from one day to another. I was very sad and depressed for the first 6 months. It was a very difficult time in Cyprus. A lot of people were losing their jobs. I couldn't find a job. I was very depressed and at the same time very obsessed with YouTube and makeup. I was watching all the time YouTube videos and I was waiting every Friday for Michelle Phan's videos. One day my husband told me, why don't you find a makeup school and become a makeup artist? So I found an amazing makeup school in Cyprus and I became a makeup artist. If you want any more information how to research for a makeup school, let me know in the comments so I can do a separate video, because it is difficult. It is a lot of money and you need to know where to go and to find a good makeup school. Why do I have a YouTube channel? When we moved to Germany, I couldn't work as a makeup artist because in Germany they hire people that they do hair and makeup. So you need someone that it is a hair and makeup artist. And also I didn't speak any German. So I was very sad the first few months, and that's when I decided to start my YouTube channel. I think that my husband told me to start the YouTube channel. This is how I started my YouTube channel. For me, this channel is a way to share my makeup tips and to show you different makeup techniques that you can experiment at home. I also love testing new products, as you have noticed. And my favorite part of this whole YouTube journey is that I edit my videos. I love editing my videos and finding all the time new things to do, and it is very creative for me. The whole process is something that makes me very happy. I love makeup and now I love editing. So it is difficult to start posting videos on YouTube, but I can say that it has helped me with my self-esteem, and I think that I also help you in some way. I want you to feel very happy when you watch my videos, and I hope that I do that. I have also done a specific course about hairstyling, and now I am a hair and makeup artist. Thumbs up! I spend a lot of time on YouTube. I like watching YouTube videos. One of my favorite YouTubers is Michelle Phan. Also, I watch almost every day Tati for her beauty videos and Laura Vitali for cooking videos. If you have never watched Laura Vitali, you need to watch her. I have a younger sister. I love pizza. I like watching anime with my husband. One of my favorites is One Piece. One of our dogs is named Luffy and it is after one of the main characters of One Piece. The obsession is real. I was afraid of dogs until we got our dogs. I would love to learn Japanese and also travel to Japan and go to some very graphic small village. I don't smoke. I don't drink, I don't like beer, it is very bitter. I like sweet drinks and my favorite cocktail is pina colada. One of my favorite snacks are some puffy cakes with orange jam filling, and they are super delicious. I like the combination of chocolate and orange together, although my favorite ice cream combo is chocolate and strawberry, and I am getting this all the time so I can find the best place with chocolate and strawberry ice cream. I speak a lot about food. I like t-shirts. I feel very comfortable when I wear my t-shirts. What do you think I am wearing now? Cats, guys. T-shirt with cats and glitter. You thought it was a serious white shirt. Something that I remembered a few days ago. When I was very young and I was playing with my dolls, I was always changing the makeup of my dolls, guys. I had different types of pens, very colorful. I also had some pastel colors, and I was always painting the eyes and the lipstick on my dolls because I didn't like the makeup on them. The makeup obsession started very early in my life. I love sunny days. I don't care if the weather is cold. I just want a little bit of sunshine. When I edit my videos, I listen to classical music, and in this way I can concentrate better. One of my favorite shows that I can watch every day is Friends, and my wedding dress for some reason had a name and it was Phoebe. Of course I got it. I love going to the beach. In my free time I love playing Zelda. I am trying to find all the shrines and all the Korok seeds. On my phone I like playing Angry Birds and Candy Crush. I love chocolate, anything with chocolate. Cookies, ice cream, brownies, chocolate cake, lava cake, anything with chocolate, I can eat it. I love chocolate. I also love fried potatoes. However, I don't like frying them because you need a lot of oil. So what I do is I use a recipe from Laura Vitali. I will link it in the description box below. And you don't use a lot of oil and you bake them in the oven, but they are super delicious. You can use any spices that you like and they are amazing, guys. Try it. You will remember me. I am very bad in singing. People shouldn't be allowed around me when I sing. I can never remember the lyrics of a song. I like peanuts, but I don't like peanut butter. And that's the same for almonds too. I like almonds, but I don't like almond butter. I love reading fantasy books, and when I was younger, I was writing my own stories. I also love watching comedies and fantasy movies. I don't watch scary movies. I have never watched the American Horror Story. It is impossible for me. The suspense is killing me. I'm not watching that, no. These are the 50 and plus random facts about me. I hope that you liked this video, and let me know in the comments if you have any more questions about me. And thank you again for watching and supporting my channel. If you want to learn more about makeup and also see some more videos from me, don't forget to hit the subscribe button, and I will see you in my next video. Bye!